Got one. Got another.
Do it!
Got him. Oh, they didn't even hit me. Ben, on the left, on the left. Come on. Who's that? See that guy right over there? Got him.
Left side still?
Yeah, one guy, I got him though. Hit! Wait, how many respawns?
There's 2 respawns.
Hit! Trade off! Hey! Trade off! There's no way I didn't hit you. Trade off. No. I shot first, dude.
That's so damn baggy!
Yo, look at my arm. Hit. That's overshooting.
That's overshooting.
That was like 40 rounds, bro!
Alright, this is what I'm using for this game. And my grenade.
Hey, you know what type of game this is?
Free for all.
I mean, like, what are we going
We kill each other. Yeah.
I don't even have my gun in my hand, bro.
It's not cocked either.
No, screw this up.
Oh, you got me.
Josh, run! It's a grenade!
No, you're dead.
You can blow up. Oh, it would have been way louder. Triangle. Let's actually make a triangle.
Here, Ben, can I get pull the pin now?
No, if you want. Pin right now.
No, it's the impact grenade.
Shouldn't you guys kind of back up a bit? Radio, move, radio, move, radio. Go, 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 go.
Alright, I got some guys. Oh, shit, it didn't work.
Oh, shit.
Oh, can I borrow your... If you die, give me your gun.
Gun's not loaded.
Oh!
Wait, did I get hit? You did. Ah, damn it. Bang, bang, bang.
Oh.
Bang. Bang, you got killed.
You can't say bang with a pistol?
Bang, you got killed.
Alright, now I'm dead.
Nuker was right here, dude. Nuker was right there. Nobody called her hits. Because Max, if you have a Springer,
Here's
you
your
can't
gun.
shoot that fast.
Here's your gun. Where's the tornado that nobody called their hits for?
Nobody called their hits.
Where'd it land?
Max literally, he ran at people.
I love this KWA.
A lot of dead guys.
Good. Let's push them then.
Bang.
Oh, God, sorry. You made me jump.
Bang.
I'm hit. Good job.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I lit that spot up.
No, that's fine. You only hit me once.
I don't want to get blinked on this side again.
Alright, I'm just gonna make sure we still have all the flags. Hey, you alive? Bunch of yellow in that building over there. They have a flag. I killed like 1 or 2 of them, but I started fogging, so I had to run away. Guys, there's a building up here. My 12, bunch of yellow in there. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang.
I think you got it, but it's just me, bro.
Bang, 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 bang. Give me a wreck, Dirks.
Bang, bang.
Oh, I didn't see you. Sorry, I'm fogging too bad. Hit. I thought you were outside of it. Sorry.
All good.
It's fine. Thanks for shooting me in the vest, too. I was the last one there. I killed my friend, though. I killed my friend, though.